Paano malaman kung may overpayment po? Thanks. Good question from our viewer sa ating Q&A with Proof AMN. Ang tanong po ni Sir or ni Ma'am is about overpayment ng Pag-ibig MPL. Right? So may tatlong sagot tayo, Sir or Ma'am, sa tanong po ninyo. Please watch the full video. Alright? Let's get started. Well, friends, para malaman natin kung may overpayment po, number one, of course, magtanong tayo sa HR. Baka may record po sila sa ating loan term. Di ba yung Pag-ibig MPL is 2 years to pay or 3 years to pay? May record po ang HR natin or Human Resource Department or Admin Department. Simple po magtanong lang kayo kung kailan mag-end ang term. Ngayon kung nag-end ang term, tapos continuous pa rin ang deduction ni HR or ni admin, certainly may overpayment po yan. For example, ang loan term po ninyo is from January 2022 up to January 2024. Ngayon po, nagtanong kayo sa admin ninyo or sa HR. Tapos meron pa rin silang deduction sa loan ninyo. May overpayment na po. Why? Kasi March na tayo, 2024. Dapat nag-stop po yung deduction January 2024. Yan po. Second way of knowing kung overpayment na po tayo is punta kayo sa branch ni Pag-ibig. Hingi kayo ng printout sa loan term ninyo. So from that, makita ninyo kung kailan kayo mag-end ang term. Ngayon po, kung may deduction pa rin sa loan ninyo, ayan, overpayment na po kayo, ma'am or sir. Kasi po, si Pag-ibig, up to loan term lang talaga. Right? 2 years to pay po or 3 years to pay. So, kung continuous pa rin ang deduction ni employer, may overpayment na kayo niyan. Third way of knowing kung may overpayment tayo is through virtual branch ni Pag-ibig. So, mag-download na kayo po ng virtual Pag-ibig. So, through cellphone po, masilip nyo ang account ninyo. Tingnan nyo po ang loan term ng MPL. Kung kailan mag-end ang term. Ngayon po, kung may deduction pa rin si employer or si HR or si admin, tapos end of term na pala, meron talaga yung overpayment. So, no worries po kung may overpayment po kasi pwede kayo maghingi ng form for MPL refund. Ibalik po yan ni Pag-ibig po. Once na ma-fill out ninyo ang form, request for MPL refund, and then yung basic requirements nila, i-comply lang, may cheque kayo niyan for the MPL refund. Mabalik po yan sa inyo. Alright? So thank you for watching and please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.